Have you ever tried to transfer files between servers only to be stopped in your tracks by an error? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the host key verification failed issue with sshpass and rsync. I totally understand how annoying it is when you're trying to automate tasks and suddenly you're faced with prompts that halt your progress. You're not alone in this. Many users encounter this issue when using sshpass with rsync. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my sshpass rsync command fail with host key verification?" They mentioned that when they run the command without sshpass, they receive prompts for authenticity and password. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this? The issue arises because sshpass does not automatically handle host key verification like SSH does. This can lead to interruptions in your automated processes. But don't worry, we will break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you run your commands smoothly without interruptions. To address the user's issue with host key verification, the first step is to modify the rsync command to include the SSH options directly. This will help bypass the host key checking prompts. Next, the user should ensure that the SSH service is running on the remote server. This is crucial for the rsync command to work properly. Now, the user may want to add the remote server's host key to the known hosts file. This can prevent future prompts and improve security. Finally, the user can run the modified rsync command again. This time, it should execute without any prompts for host verification or password. Fun fact, the concept of host key verification is like having a bouncer at a club. They check if you're on the list before letting you in, but sometimes you just want to skip the line. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the -p parameter with sshpass. This helps identify the passphrase prompt for your key. For example, you can run sshpass with the password and the -p option followed by the prompt text. Additionally, you can specify the path to your private key using the -e parameter. This allows you to run rsync with your specific key without prompts. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure you trust the host you're connecting to when bypassing key verification. This keeps your data secure while allowing for smooth transfers. And there you have it. Your rsync command should now run without any host key verification prompts. Remember, always double-check your connections for security. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus content on secure file transfers.